What's happening, guys? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just left the Apple store and have my iPhone 6 Plus with me, and actually the battery that they tested was consumed and needs to be replaced, which I knew because it gets to like 30-40% and shuts off. But I wanted to just share my experiences with you. So if you are trying to get an iPhone battery replaced, particularly in 2018, under the discounted program, the $30 battery replacement program that Apple has in place, because of the fact that they are throttling iPhones due to kind of low battery capacity, if you're trying to get it done, here are my tips, because it's a little bit of a cluster. So what I did is I went on the Apple support website, kind of went through the decision tree, reporting my battery issue, and then it made me an appointment at my local Apple store for 4 or 5 days later. And I went in and checked in, and the first thing they asked me as they were trying to check me in and not finding my appointment was, did I get an email that the battery had arrived? And of course, I haven't gotten an email. And I say of course because the battery has not arrived. So I didn't know that I needed to wait until a battery arrived. So I'm not exactly sure. It's like the chicken and the egg thing, how you're supposed to get a a battery before you make the appointment. So I made the appointment. They were like, oh, you make the appointment to order the battery. So I met with the technician, ran the diagnostic on my phone, confirmed that I needed a new battery. She punched in the serial number, ordered a battery for me, told me it was going to be April, maybe May before it comes in. Mind you, this is like March 3rd, okay? So obviously everyone's getting these batteries replaced. And then when the battery comes in, they will give me a call. And then when I get that call from the Apple store, I am to work with that person to get another appointment, obviously to bring it in, at which time it will take about 2 hours from the time I drop it off to when I can pick up the phone again. Obviously you need to back up and all that stuff. So a little bit confusing, because I thought they were just going to have massive stocks of batteries that you make an appointment via the Apple website and go in and drop it off, come back and pick it up. No way. So if you do it, if you make an appointment, I would just call probably and see if you can confirm that they have the battery or they order it, so you don't waste your time. It literally, I got there at 3:40. It's now 4:15, so it took about a half an hour out of my day, just in the store itself. Very helpful, but it's very, very busy, obviously. Obviously, Apple making $1 trillion has to be busy. So that's just the process. Now, I will throw in there too, I am aware of a place, and I can't remember if it's called Batteries Plus or, a local place like that here in the Chicago area, that people have said that they are also replacing the battery for about $30. So you're out of pocket no more, and that they do have batteries in place, are in stock, and they will do them on the spot. And so again, an hour or two later, potentially over a lunch break or something like that, you can get your battery replaced. Now, you obviously won't be getting an Apple warranty on that. I will say that the new battery is only 90 days covered by Apple warranty. There is something, that makes me feel better about having it done by Apple itself. Just in case they break something like a screen or something like that, they're going to be able to replace it. But given the fact that it might be, 4 to 6 or 7 weeks before I can get the battery replaced, and especially if you have a battery that's really problematic right now, I might be tempted to go to somewhere local, like an iFixit type of place. So I checked out the online tutorials on how to replace the battery yourself. It's not the hardest thing in the world, but it's kind of more of a tedious, detailed job than I prefer to do. So I'm going to have it done either way, but just my experiences. Hopefully that's helpful if you are thinking of getting your iPhone battery replaced. Peter Von Panda out.